Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the weekly chart of gold in front of us. So on the weekly chart, we can see that there is no major change on the chart. And if you are a lover of gold, you must be knowing that overall we had a silent week. During the NFP or after NFP market was extremely volatile, and as a result we saw a silent market this week. And this is how volatility works. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So on the weekly chart we can see that market is bullish, and obviously gold's demand and supply, demands and supply always pushes the market towards the upside. If you are a lover of gold, investor of gold, then always you should be on the buy side only, because the supply of gold, the supply of yellow metal is limited on our planet. So we can expect that in the coming days or in the coming years and months, obviously gold will always be up. And this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. On the daily also we can see the overall trend is towards the upside, no doubt about it. But is this a clean chart? No. And yes, there is a further possibility of some correction here. So from the daily chart, we do not have a clear picture. So let's move to our favorite and beloved hourly time frame. Before that, I would like to take you to the COT data. Usually I do not look at the COT data because I'm a day trader. Okay, I'm a hardcore day trader, and COT data, it's a weekly data, so it's a slow data for me. But yes, there have been some significant change here. You can see the contracts and non-commercial has changed drastically. You can see plus 9,401 contracts have been added on the long side, and we have a reduction or minus 4,546 on the short side. In simple language, you can see this is the condition. So this is where the institutions are going for a buy. So yes, in the coming days, we can expect that gold will be going up. And one more thing I would like to add here is that this is not a day trader's data. Okay, if you're a day trader, you need to take trades. You need to act according to the market. You need to be flexible. But if you are a positional trader, if you prefer to hold your positions for a couple of weeks to couple of months, then yes, you should be on the buy side only. And my dear friends, if you're looking for deeper analysis and if you want to take your fundamental analysis to the next level, you can go to FastBull.com. FastBull.com is extremely useful website, not only for financial updates and news, but also for their analysis. You can see they also provide analysis from the institutions, and they also have their own in-house analysts. So you can see here you get the analysis from all the institutions so that you can do your fundamental analysis, and from the in-house analysts also you get the idea in which direction the market is moving, or how the market is going to perform. In our previous videos we have seen their economic calendar and how cool is the economic calendar and why their economic calendar is unique. But yes, you can also check out their analysis section. Their analysis section is also equally powerful. Okay, I'll put down the link of fastbull.com on the comment section as well on the description box. You can check out. So my dear friends, yesterday market was silent, market was boring, and then we saw this big fall. And market came around to 2025. Okay, I did not expect this candle, but yes, market also made a high of 2037. Market came to the support of 2020 and ultimately closed at 2024. So this is the last traded price here, and this was the support for the market. So the market opening is going to be important, and if you already have a buy or sell position on the chart, you can be on the trade. And if you're looking for fresh position, then I'll say that do not take a position right at the opening of the market, not only in Forex market or gold or anything. So it doesn't matter where in which market you trade, you should always avoid the market opening and the market closing. Okay, always keep in mind, never forget, because the market is very volatile at the time of opening and at the time of closing also. So always try to avoid. So right at the opening, do not take any position, because already we can see the market is in the middle, not an ideal position. If you see that after the opening market is going down, okay, then observe the market around 2020. Observe the market around the previous support of 2020, and there's a good chance that market will break 2020 and go down. Why? Because you can see market looks sideways. Okay, if we observe this chart here, market looks sideways, but what is the market structure? You can see slowly the market is forming lower highs here, and the formation of lower highs indicate that slowly the sellers are coming in and buyers are losing their strength. Try to learn, my dear friends, okay, so that you can use the same thing in your future also. So because of the formation of lower highs, okay, there is a high chance that market will break the support of 2020 and go down. Okay, but see, to break any level, okay, to break any level, volume plays a very important role. So the volume will be important. If you see that right after market opening, market is silent, there is not much volume, in that case market may fail. But by the US session, if you see the market is going down, then there's a high chance that gold will break 2020 and go towards 2015, which is the next support. So during the Asian session, if you see gold is going down, try to avoid any sell because of lack of volume below 2020. And if you see the market is going up again, because if market fails to break, then obviously market will bounce a little. In that case, you can go for a buy as well, but follow proper risk management, because the structure of the market is not positive. At any point market may break to a support and go down. Clear? Then the next support is around 2015, and we can expect the market to take support around 2015, especially on Monday. Okay, because this is the level from where market bounce, not bounce, bounce previously. So obviously we have some buyers sitting around this area. So if market takes up around 2015, definitely we can look for a buy position. And there are some multiple supports also available below 2015. So let's not waste time because market closed at 2014. Let's wait for the market opening. I'm coming on Monday also, so I'll update you. So this is how you can trade if market goes down. Now, if market goes up right after the market opening. So if you're wondering about resistance, the best selling position is around 2040 to 2044. This is the best resistance to go for a sell position. Why? Because we can see on numerous instances market has respected the FIBO here. Yesterday also when market was crazy, our FIBO worked overall. So if market goes up, we have FIBO 50% retracement level at 2040. Along with that, we also have the previous resistance or price rejection level around this area. So if we combine both the factors, then yes, 2040 to 2044 is the best level to take a sell. But the problem is 2040 is standing at the top, it is far away. So again, if market goes up after the market opening, the volatility of the market will be important. If you see the market is low volatile, there is not much buying power. Market is behaving like a typical Monday market. In that case, you can look for a sell around 2029 to 2030. And if you see the market is struggling, you can look for a sell. Do not expect much because slow market means your SL will also be low and your target will also be low. If you go for a sell around 2029, 2030, how much you can expect? 2027 is also good enough as a day trader. And during the day, especially during the European session, if you see market is going up, then you can look for a sell around 2034 to 2036. This is also a level because we have FIBO here. Then you can see we also have previous resistance around this area. So this is also a good level to take a sell position. But not all the levels have equal strength. This is the strongest level. Then we have this. Then we have this. This is a weak level, but still the market may remain slow. That's why we are considering 2029-30 as a selling opportunity for day traders or scalpers. Overall, if you look at the chart of gold on the hourly time frame, as a day trader, we can clearly see this is not a trending market. This is a sideways market. So we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides, because in trending market, obviously following the trend of the market is the wise decision we can make. Anyways, there have been a lot of doubts regarding a broker and people have requested me a lot, and sadly I could not find a single broker that can help us with everything. But yes, we can choose a broker as per need. So I have a list right now. Okay, I won't say I'm still processing. Okay, so I have found a very good broker for USA clients because USA clients, they do not have leverage. There are many reputed brokers in the USA, but yes, the leverage is very low. And the offshore brokers who provide leverage are not regulated. But you can look for Extreme Forex. Okay, this is a regulated broker and also provide around 500x to USA clients, and they also provide low ECN deposits. Okay, and if you're Indian and if you're looking for a reliable broker, then yes, I have found Forex for you because of the service. Maybe Okta, Access, they are much bigger brokers and they have higher regulation. But when it comes to India, things change drastically. Service is very important. You can see Forex for you is a good broker. Their service is impeccable. Okay, I have talked to the higher authorities and they have promised me that he will, not he will, they will be providing the best of the service to all the clients. So to know more, okay, you just click here. Okay, I have
तो
explained
चलिए
everything in the
बात
video.
करते हैं
And by next week, I will be talking to another broker. Actually, I'll be bringing one broker to talk to us, to enlighten us about the whole Forex industry. And they will be showing us, not showing us, actually, they will be dropping some bombs. Okay, please try to watch the video. Um, I will be conducting an interview with them on Monday. Okay, and you will be shocked to know the real facts, how these brokers perform. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.